Hello everybody, this is Sean and welcome to another video again. So in this video I'll explain about the time sequencers. Now you might think that what is a time sequencer? The time sequencers are those words that helps us to describe our life. For example, you went to India. Now you want to say about your India trip when you tour. Then what do we say? Actually, how will you say? You will say that first of all, I went to this border to cross this border, and then I went to this district of India. Next, we stayed on this hotel like this and have our snacks and lunch. Then we roamed around the hotel. You will say it like this, isn't it? After that, we came to our hotel. And finally, the next day we went to Bangladesh. Isn't you say your about your trip also like this? Isn't it? Yeah. You say like this. In every single time you have to use time sequencers to make a sequence. Because without the time sequencer, how will we make the sequence? Without first, next, then after that, and finally. Okay? So no more outside talks. Now let's get into it. Okay. Now we will be familiar with 5 most important time sequencers. Okay? So, the first one of all, first. The second one of all, next. The third one of all, then. The fourth one of all, after that. And the fifth one of all, finally. Now, there are some examples here you could see. You could see. First, I woke up. Okay. And next, I brushed my teeth. Then, I had my breakfast. After that, I checked my emails. Finally, I went for a walk. So here here is the example. Okay? Here is the example is given. So these are the time sequencers. We use this every single time for trip or any part to describe any part of our life, isn't it? So that was all about this video, and I hope that we will meet again in another video. So without any further ado, goodbye, have a nice day.